What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning back in. Just want to let you guys know we went and got the red car this weekend, and my cousin Sam did a phenomenal job on trying to fab up everything to get the hood to fit right and latch down the way it's supposed to, so we don't have to worry about it blowing off if we're at the track. Very proud of how it turned out. There's still some stuff that he wants to tinker with and mess with to finish up, but the main goal, I think, is pretty much finished, so that's a plus. Really just starting off where we left off when the car left. Need to do some minor things, change the oil, change the plugs, go ahead and go through the plugs and kind of check and make sure they're burning good, burning right. I'm going to throw some clips in there when we went to pick it up, and you can kind of see everything that Sam did. And you guys let me know what you think. That's some pretty custom stuff, pretty cool way of how he done it to be able to hold and latch the front of the hood down. And it's all removable. That's another good thing. But yeah, I'll let you guys see some clips on that. And, you guys let me know what you think about all that stuff. I forgot to get it out earlier.
To the back ones, there's a few things I want to buy. I want to buy that spring tuner.
Yeah.
And HVAC has got like a wide clamp vice grip meant for bending.
Okay.
Ductwork. I would rather do that on the rail than.
I kind of feel like I might look at some pictures. I'm not even sure that half these third gens even have that on them.
I don't think they do.
I think they don't do it because of that reason, because it's so tight.
I've seen one guy do it, and he said you really have to work this guy. But with the wide clamp, you can grab a hold of a wider area and bring it up.
Yeah.
And then you can make it follow the curvature of the hood.
That's good. That is custom.
That's custom right there.
Custom.
Custom with a K.
Did you build that?
Yeah, this is why the car's been here, because Sam's been redoing all that, making it the right way, and he built this. Look at this, y'all.
Hammering
he built all this, and he made these brackets and welded. It's all removable.
Yeah, it's all removable. But
I'll probably just throw it in the back of the truck.
Literally, I can put this hood on by myself, and everyone will go in.
That's what.
Off the car. It still needs some trimming, but it's really close. What was Kai Kelly's black Camaro? The Shocker?
Yeah, the Shocker.
It's for sale.
Is it?
Clarksville, $130,000.
Clarksville?
Yep, it's in Clarksville.
Damn, he's
for sale.
Where's it? I thought he was from Louisiana.
Car made his way over here.
Oh, so he done sold it, and then somebody else sold it?
Yep. Got the Mike Lau motor in it. I think it's got a glide.
Well, the original Shocker got totaled.
Right, this is the one he built after.
Yeah, he's
The
running
aftershock.
He's running that, what is it? Grand National?
Yep.
Something like that.
With it's got that blowing hemming in it, don't it?
I think so. And it can move. So what I want to do is I want to make a sleeve that fits these rails, gives it a tighter fit.
Okay.
I'm Ricky Bobby. If you don't like Big Red, then fuck you. But yeah, definitely get one of them. It's just a wide mouth plier.
It's like that. It's almost like those sheet metal pliers.
Yeah, it's just
like
it's a wide mouth, and they do it whenever they're building edges. And
I got some.
You do?
I think
Sweet.
so.
So we need
I'll send you a picture of them, and I'll let you tell me if that's what you're talking about.
Right on. And then I got to get that spring tuner
Okay.
And the hose still needs to be changed. The clamps.
Okay.
So there's no longer when we're running it, it's not gonna hurt nothing. But
Yeah, you sound like the intake you thought was leaking. So
yes, I do believe it's weeping at the intake because you can see like the crustation where it's kind of sitting there. So
we might run this next weekend and then might go ahead and pull the intake off of it and all that stuff too.
okay, cool. So there you go, buddy.
Well, I appreciate you.
Ain't no problem. You know what to do to help you. Just want you to win.
At least do something.
Right, right.
Have you checked tire pressure in it? I mean, not that it matters. We're just putting it on the trailer.
I've just aired them up. I kept them right up. This one down here goes flat.
Yeah. So yeah, I knew that one. It had a small leak.
The air compressor's charged. I can put air in it.
Oh yeah, I forgot you.
I got it fixed. Yeah, I was sitting there working and I started, wow, 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 wow. I said, what is that? It's like a cat dying. Went out there, belt said, nope, I'm done.
I got it. So my motor comes loose on mine,
No,
and when it fires up, the belt just sits there, and I'm like, what's burning? And it's like barely catching it, and it's
Right.
smoking. I'm like, golly. So I gotta shut it down and move it.
What is it?
The compressor motor
Yeah.
on my air compressor, that belt it'll start slipping, and I'll be like, there's like dark rubber in here.
we go to do this. This fits really nicely, but I want to chamfer this. I want to radius this, and then this piece kind of wants to kick out.
Yeah.
I want to bring it in and then lag it.
Okay.
I just don't know how. I probably had to put another rib nut in it to secure that.
Okay.
But God,
What's wrong with it?
It's
Just the cap?
it's got like a vacuum on it, I think. Never mind, I'm just stupid. Never mind, I'm just stupid. That's fancy right there, boy. Well, that'll at least get you on the trailer.
It just fell apart. I
Really?
picked it up and it just fell apart.
You leaving that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I literally went to do it that last time and it went. I said, oh no.
I didn't even think about that. Whenever I brought the car up here.
Yeah, it was It seems good and solid, you know, but when you take it on and off about 10 times, not so much. Oh, shit, son.
All right.
Is there anything else?
I don't guess so. I get home, I'm gonna wire them 2 last plugs in and clean the shop. I mean, I got shit everywhere.
Yeah.
It is horrible.
I gotta get.
So I told Josh I'm probably gonna take and get all that stuff done first before I unload the car and put it in the garage. So, well, I think that turned out pretty good. Like I said, I'm really excited about it. I'm really impressed. My cousin Sam, I can't thank him enough for doing that for me and helping me out, because I didn't have time to be messing with it, and I had other things I was wanting to do. I will say I've been working in the shop trying to finish some things in the shop. I won't go around and show everything, but like all my receptacles and stuff, while I haven't had the car to work on or been messing with anything else, I took the time to get that off my checklist. So now I've got plugins in here and I don't have to run 100-foot extension cords throughout the shop, you know, from the old side of the garage. But I'm glad I got that done. I've got a couple other things coming up soon. I bought another set of wheels for the car. They're not beadlocks. I don't have beadlock money. We're just going to go back with putting screws in the wheels the old-fashioned way. But this is going to change the look of the car. I think it's going to look pretty good. And I also want to give like a tutorial video, I guess, of marking the spots where you're going to drill your hose to put your screws in. So we might do that. That way you guys out there that want to do something like that, you can see somebody do it and learn something. I'm going to take the hood off of the car and kind of go back over and show you guys some things of how Sam done everything and how he mocked everything up and fabricated everything. That way you guys kind of got a closer look and go slower through the motions and explain to you guys everything that he was having to do and where I kind of messed up at and everything else. So let's do that real quick. All right, guys, got the hood off the car and just wanted to kind of show you guys a little closer look from the other clips. So he took this piece of sheet metal and he bent it and I mean just fabricated everything to fit in this little section here, and then mounted of course the rails up here for the front of the hood, and he kind of bent those up a little bit because the hood has a slant to it, so obviously he had to kind of bend those up some, and everything, I mean, it goes in nicely. You seen him put the hood on in his shop, and it went on pretty smooth all the way around. I was always having a fight with him and everything else, and I'm kind of glad that I don't have to worry about those things coming off anymore, because they were really untrustworthy. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm really excited about it. It's all removable if I need to take it off and you know, mess around down in there. That's definitely a plus. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think about it, man. I mean, I'm ecstatic about how it turned out, honestly. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I appreciate you guys tuning in always. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow my Instagram. If you guys have questions and want to ask me anything or give me suggestions or things like that, just hit me up on my Instagram, Team Sharp Racing. You guys let me know what you think about the way everything turned out and what Sam did. I'm on cloud 9 about it. And if you guys have ways that you have done anything like that, you know, shoot me some pictures or give me your inputs or how you done yours. I'm all about sharing knowledge with everybody out there. So, you know, if you guys got pictures and how you guys done your thing, just show me. I'd be very interested. Or if you have questions about how Sam did it, if I don't know the answer to it, I'll get with Sam and see what he has to say about it. We can go from there. Like I said, I'm all about teaching and learning things from other people. So let's just do it. I appreciate it, guys.